My generation, we were born into war. Giant monsters attacked our world. We called them kaiju.
What Pacific Rim does is it gives an answer to those monsters. So we built some monsters to fight back. We have the Jaegers.
Since the first movie, humanity's had 10 years to redesign the Jaegers and prepare for another attack.
The advances that we have between the first film and the second film, we need upgrades.
That's what I'm talking about!
They're bigger than life. The special abilities that some of these Jaegers have are pretty damn cool.
I really wanted to preserve the spirit of the first movie, that you have humanity coming together to fight a common enemy. No matter how big they are, we can come together and we can win.
Jaeger pilots, do you understand?
One way to find out.
I think it's very cool having a common enemy and people from all around the world having to work together for the survival of the planet.
It's our turn to save the world.
3, 2, 1.
I think what really captures the imagination of people when they see mechs and monsters, it hits a primal sweet spot.
Get up! Burn it down! We've got this! Try everything you've got!